Morning Kids Company children. So today we're learning about birds, and for the rest of this week I wanted to send this activity to you last week, but remember I sent to you all our beautiful birds eggs that we made, the colorful birds eggs. So today we're going to do a counting exercise with those birds eggs. If you've got different containers at home, you can use some of Mom's Tupperware containers, or if you've got a set of stacking rings or stacking blocks, then you can use those. And then I've got a set of numbers, but you can just cut out pieces of paper and write numbers on them as well. So let's have a look and see what we're going to do today for our counting. So we're going to stack from the smallest to the biggest. Bigger, 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 biggest. And just move them a bit more forward so you can see. Now we're going to put our numbers out. Nine, okay, we've got numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't know if you can see them, so what I'm going to do is pop them on the front of the box. 7, 6, we count backwards, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so we're going to count from left to right, from the smallest number to the biggest number. 1 egg in the box or the nest. 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 eggs. We are left with no more eggs in our box, and we have eggs from the smallest amount of 1 to the biggest. Lots of eggs in there, 9 eggs in there. This is a good activity also for crossing your midline and working from left to right, and from counting and recognizing your numbers. Have fun with this activity. If you don't have the eggs that you've made from salt dough, then you can use beans and egg cups for nests, or you can just use Play-Doh and roll them up into little balls and make your numbers. Have fun counting!